So here's the quick tutorial to show you how to take the PNG files in my Etsy shop and upload them to your iPhone for custom icons. The first things first, you'll want to make sure they're in your iPhone, so whether that's emailing them to yourself or airdropping them to yourself. Then we're going to click on our shortcuts application. You'll see I have a few shortcuts already set up. Go ahead and click the search bar and type open. Then you'll want to scroll down a bit until you find the option that says Open App. I'll have the screen linger on it a bit so you can see. Now we have to pick the application we want the shortcut to trigger. Since I'm using a Moogle, I want to go ahead and have it open my Amazon app. Then let's click Next and name the shortcut Amazon. You can tap the default yellow cube to the left and select a color. I'm thinking purple might work best. Then click Done. Now that we have our shortcut ready, let's customize it. Go ahead and give it a tap. Click the three dots in the upper right hand corner and add to home screen. Here you can click that purple icon and tap Choose Photo. Now I'm not going to show you my messy gallery, but you can pick from any one of these. I selected the Moogle, and here's our finished product. Now we can exit the Shortcuts application and find the Moogle icon on your home screen. Go ahead and move it to place. Giving it a tap will open the Amazon application. And that's it. Happy customizing!